Hello, I'm Roar. This video is a sound demonstration of 5 different Argon audio turntables, each with its pre-mounted cartridge. 4 of the turntables has a built-in rear amplifier, but I have disabled those and run them all through the same external one for consistency. I'm using my trustworthy Hagel V10 simply because the noise floor is so low and it doesn't color the sound. So what you will hear is the true character from each turntable and its cartridge. The signal chain is simple. RCA cables from the turntable to the Hagel V10, XLR cables from the V10 to my audio interface. That's it. Keep in mind, this recording only gives you part of the picture. It doesn't really justify the soundstage differences, the depth nuances, and how well the different turntables manage external vibrations. To really experience the difference, I recommend you visit your local hi-fi club. It's worth it. For the best experience, use your good old headphones. Oh, and the music is from the amazing artist Klinkt. Check him out. First, you will hear the original vinyl master, the one sent to the pressing plant. After that, we will go through each turntable so you can hear how they differ from each other and from the original master. Enjoy! I hope you learned something from this demonstration, and please let me know which one is your favorite. Have a great day, and as we say in Norway, ha det på badet, din gamle sjokolade. Vi ses I kveld, din gamle karamell.